Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2007 Shelby GT500. This one is not stock Borla, exhaust system, Kenny Bell supercharger. Pushing right about 900 horsepower, and it definitely draws some attention. Love the interior of these. So it's a Kenny Bell supercharger with a slightly different pulley, rated, because the whole drivetrain in this car is rated for 1,000 horse. So the owner's pushing right about 900, which is, you know, enough. Don't need any more than 900. Alright, I know where I'm going. Oh my God. Owner also told me he's pushing about 25 PSI from the turbo supercharger. Ho ho ho. We'll go this way. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I've driven this for about 5 minutes before filming. I'm not used to it. This is the scariest car I've driven. F12 on a racetrack has nothing on this. It is terrifying. It will come loose at almost any throttle input where you apply the supercharger's boost. It's terrifying. Oh. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.